have had it with you, Calvin.
Boy, I have really had it with Newman.
Had it with your uptight self.
God damn it, I've had it with you people.
I've had it with him.
I have had it with the sports jerk.
I have had it with this guy.
I have had it with you.
I have had it with you, Joe.
I've had it with you, pal.
I've had it. I've had it with you.
Now I have had it up to here with you.
That is it. I have had it with this car. You know what? I have had it with you, mister.
Look, I know it's cool.
He's corny. Corny? Nigga, you're corny.
Corny or whatever.
Corny.
It was so corny.
So corny.
It's a little corny. Corny, you!
It's corny. I wasn't going.
It's lame and it's cheesy.
It's pretty corny.
So cheesy.
Look, I know it's cool.
Of course it's corny.
Hey, this is corny. Corny meets hat.
Name your price. Information.
Just name your price, dear.
Name your price.
Can you?
Name your own price.
Name your 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 price.
Your price.
Name your price. Name your price.
Name your price.
Name your price.
Name your price.
You name your price.
Stay out of it, fly boys.
Stay out of it.
Good.
Stay out of it.
Stay out of it.
Why don't you stay out of it?
Stay out of it.
Stay out of it, fly boys.
Stay out of it, Rudy. Stay out of it.
Stay out of it.
Stay out of it. No, that's...
Stay out of it.
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 It means so much to me.
So much to me.
It means so much to me.
So much to you.
Not to me.
Means so much to me.
It means so much to me that
They mean so much to me.
This means so much to me. Something. This means so much to me. This means so much to me.
This means so much to me.
Yeah, you mean so much to me, you know?
Boys. You guys mean so much to me.
You mean so much to me.
You mean so much to me, Malarkey.
You mean so much to me.
You mean so much to me.